Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Ibrahim and I'm from the channel Teaching by SM, a mathematics instructor. The topic which we will be discussing today is Mathematics 0580, topic sequences, right? Paper 2. And as you all know that the one intention of me making these videos is to support the Palestinian people. For this, the intention is the first 6 months, whatever revenue will be generated will be donated to the Palestinian people. So I would request all the viewers to kindly support our cause. Jazakallah khair. Okay, starting with the first question. Here we have four terms of sequence, right? As it is mentioned in the question, here are four terms of the sequence: 23, 17, 11 and 5. In the topic sequences, we should first see that which type of sequence is this. There are many types. So to see the type, we must see that what type of pattern is being followed, right? Here we can see that after 23 we have 17, after 17 we have 11, after 11 we have 5. If you notice over here, what we need to do first is subtract the first term from second. 17 minus 23, I'm getting minus 6. 11 minus 17, minus 6. And 5 minus 11, minus 6. So you see, every second consecutive term, if you are subtracting it from the previous one, you are getting the same difference. So this shows that it is a linear sequence, right? And now the question is asked is to calculate find this next term. What will be the next term? 23, 17, 11, 5, and after 5 subtract 6. 5 minus 6 minus 1. Clear? Okay. Find the nth term. Now nth term is basically the general formula, or we can say the general term for this given sequence. And if the sequence is a linear one, we have the formula Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Now to first understand that what a, d and n means. Here a means the first term, d means the common difference, and n is basically the term number, which term I want to calculate. So we will keep it as it is. N should be kept as it is. Substituting the value of a and d, 23 is the first term. In place of a, I will put 23 plus n stays as it is, and d is common difference. So 17 minus 23 was minus 6. Clear? So 23 minus 6n plus 6, right? So 23 plus 6 is 29 minus 6n. Now if I want to confirm this, I'll just put the values and see that I'm getting the terms or not. So in place of n, I put 1, 6 1 is 6, 29 minus 6, 23. If I put 2, 6 2 is 12, 29 minus 12, 17. Clear? So in this way I can get all the terms. I hope that's clear to everyone. Question number 1 is done. Okay, question number 2. Here's a sequence: a, 13, 9, 3, all I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms are here. Find the value of a and the value of b. So I should see what type of sequence is being followed. If you see after a 13, I cannot tell the relation. 13 and 9, yes, difference of minus 4, 9 minus 13. Okay, 3 and 9, I'm getting the difference of 6 minus 6. So difference having minus. But if I see the jump after 13 and 9, jump of 4, after 9 and 3, jump of 6, after 3 minus 5, jump of 8, right? Okay, so if I want to calculate a, I am seeing the pattern which is being followed: 39 and 4, 6, 9, 6, 9 and 3 is 6. So definitely if I come to the previous one, that is a, so it will be, you see, 8, 6, 4. So this will be 2. 13 plus 2, so a is equals to 15. Got it? Okay, going to next. Now after 8 minus 10, minus 5, and there's a difference of 10. So definitely there will be a difference of 12. So minus 15 minus 12 will be minus 27, right? You see two different questions. The first question, we calculated the common difference. We then put the formula of linear sequence. The second question is not of a linear sequence. We can see a different pattern being followed, so I just used that. So after we will do multiple questions, we will come to know that different type of questions are there. Is it clear? Okay. Question number 3. We have find an expression for the nth term of each sequence. Now see, 11 and 7, difference of -4, 7 minus 11, 3 minus 7, again -4, -1, -3, -4. So find the expression for the nth term. Again, linear sequence, so applying that formula, a plus n minus 1d. A is equals to 11 and n will remain as it is, and d is equals to -4. So 11 minus 4n plus 4, so which is equals to 15. 11 plus 4, 15, minus 4n. Clear? Okay. Now here in the second part we see 3, 6, 12, 24, right? So if you notice over here, I'm seeing something that there is these are multiples. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, multiples of 3, right? Every next number, if you multiply with 2, you will get the third number or the next number, right? So in this type of sequence, I will be using the ratio of the consecutive terms. 6 upon 3 is equals to 2. Okay. Now third term and second term, 12 upon 6, ratio 2. Then fourth and third term, 24 upon 12, again 2. So what I noticed is that the ratios of the consecutive terms is same, that is 2. This type of sequence is called, when the ratio of the consecutive terms is same, is called geometric sequence. What is called? Geometric sequence. So that ratio is called R, which is 2. Now the formula for nth term over here is same, is a different one, AR n minus 1 for geometric sequence. Okay. Now here A is the same, that was 3 first term, and R now here is the ratio, that is 2. This is the formula for nth term of this sequence. Clear? Okay. Question number 4. We have over here, there are 5 terms in the sequence, 8, 11, 14, 17 and 20. Find the next term. Okay. Now here in this question, we have 8 and 11, difference of 11 minus 8, 3, 14 minus 11, 3, 17 minus 14, 3. The next term, of course, will be adding 3 and we can get the next term. So after 20, add 3, 23. Find the expression for the nth term, again a linear sequence, so using the same formula. Okay, A is 8, n remains same, and d is 3. Using simplifying this, so 8 plus 3n minus 3, 8 minus 3 is equals to 5 plus 3n. That's question number 4, part B, nth term of the sequence. Is it clear? Okay, moving towards next. These are first five terms of a sequence. Find the expression for the nth term. Again, we have to calculate the nth term. Now, seeing the sequence, what is the sequence of this series? -4, 2, 8, 14 and 20. Okay. Here, -4, if I see over here, so 2 minus -4. So 2 plus 4 is 6, right? What I'm getting is 6. 8 minus 2, again 6. 14 minus 8, again 6. So again, common difference is same. So what I'll do is, applying that formula, Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 d, and A is -4 first term, plus n minus 1, and d is 6. So -4 plus 6n minus 6. So 6n minus 4 minus 6 is -10. That's the answer. Clear? Okay. Moving to question number 6. First 4 terms of a sequence are given to us. And what they've asked, write the next term. 5 and 8 difference of 3, 11 and 8 difference of 3. Okay, 14 and 11 difference of 3. So the next term will be 14 plus 3, 17. Nth term, linear sequence, common difference is same. Applying the formula, a plus n minus 1d, and a is 5, n minus 1, and d is 3. So here it will be 5 plus 3n minus 3. So 3n plus 5 minus 3 is 2. Clear? Part B. These are the first 5 terms of another sequence. Find the next term. Okay. Now here you can see that there are fractions. So what in fractions we do? We first see that what is the sequence being followed in the numerator, and then what is the sequence being followed in the denominator, right? In the numerator we have 1, 3, 7. After 1 is 3, difference of 2. After 3 is 7, difference of 4. After 7 is 13, difference of 6, right? Okay. Next term, of course, this is 13. This is difference of 6. Then this will be difference of 8. The difference of 10. So 21 plus 10 will be 31. Numerator, we have got the next term of the numerator. In the denominator, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So the next term will be, of course, 12. Clear? Okay. Moving towards question number 7. 6 questions are done. Question number 7. Find the nth term of each sequence. We have 2 sequences over here, as you all can see. One is this and the other is the next one. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 6. Of course, the numerator is, you can see 1, 1, 1. So numerator will remain same. And denominator 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The next term will be 12, right? But I want to calculate the nth term, right? The sequence being followed was like this. Okay. So since the numerator is same, so we don't have to worry for that. In the denominator, we can see that 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2. Common difference, same, right? So Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1d. A is 2 and n minus 1. D is 4 minus 2 is 2, right? 2 plus 2n minus 2, which is equals to n. So the general term will be numerator for same 1 and the denominator it is 2n. Clear? Okay. In the part B, we have 1, 5, 25, 125, 625. Again, we see if from a strict eye, we can see that seeing the ratio, 1 into 5 is 5, 5 into 5 is 25. So 5 upon 1, 5, second upon first term, third upon second term, 25 upon 5, again 5, fourth and third, 125 upon 25, again 5, right? So you can see common ratio, right? So it's a geometric sequence. So a r n minus 1, a is 1, r is 5, n minus 1. So we can say that 5n minus 1, right? Clear? Okay. Question number 8, we have the nth term of a sequence is this. Find the largest number in this sequence. Largest number in this sequence. Here we can see that largest number, how we can obtain the largest number. So we have 60 minus 8n. If we put in place of n, we put 2, 3, 4. So definitely whatever number we will put, it will be first multiplied with 8 and then it will be subtracted from 60. So the more higher number of n, the lesser the term will be obtained. Sorry. So the first term will be the largest number that can be obtained, because the first term means n is equals to 1 and 8 ones are 8. The smallest number will be obtained on the right and the smallest number will be subtracted by 60, right? So 60 minus 8 into 1, which is 60 minus 8, the first term, that is 52, largest number. Okay, here are first 5 terms of a different sequence, right? 12, 19, 26, 33, 40. Let us see what's the pattern. 12 in plus 7 is 19, 19 plus 7 26. Again a common difference of 7, right? So nth term, again linear is the sequence. So just apply the formula, put the values. A is equals to 12 and common difference is 7. So 12 plus 7n minus 7, 7n, 12 minus 7 is 5. Clear? Okay, question number 8 and now question number 9. The nth term of a sequence is n square plus 3n. Find the first 3 terms of the sequence. So just put the value of 1, 2 and 3, you will get the first, second, third term. So n square plus 3n, 1 square plus 3 into 1, so 1 plus 3, 4. 2 square plus 3 2s is 6, so 2 square is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10. 3, third term is 3, 3 square plus 3 3s are 9, so 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, so 4, 10, 18. Okay, these are the first 5 terms of a different sequence. Find the nth term. Okay, so 25 and 18, difference of 7, 18 and 11, difference of 7. So common difference is 7. Apply the linear sequence formula. A plus n minus 1d. A is 25 and d is 7. So 25 plus 7n minus 7, which is equal to 7n, plus 25 minus 7 is 18. Clear? Question number 10. We have a different type of a sequence over here. You see 8 and 15, difference of 7, 15 and 34. A larger difference, right? And if I see the ratio, I'm not getting the ratio as well. 15 upon 8, 34 upon 15, no same ratio, right? So here there's another sequence which we'll learn over here, having second difference same or third difference same. Now see which difference is same over here. Let's see over here. So 15 minus 8 is 7. 34 minus 15 is 19. 71 minus 34 is 37. And 132 minus 71 is 61. Okay. Now second difference. This was the first difference. Second difference, 19 minus 7 is 12. 37 minus 19 is 18. 61 minus 37 is 24. Again, no difference common. Now third difference. 18 minus 12, 6. 24 minus 18, 6. You see, the third difference is same. So when the third difference is same, it is called a cubic sequence, which we will be learning now. Is it clear? Sometimes this type of sequence also comes. And there is another sequence that is called cubic sequence, which we will quadratic sequence, which we will be learning later. Clear? Okay, now how to find the nth term of this sequence. Let's first erase this up. We have to use this, but yes, we can do it on the right. Okay, in the cubic sequence, we have formula. The third difference, which is over here, is 6a. 6a. So 6a is equals to 6, third difference, which means that a is equals to 1. The second difference, which is over here, 12, it is equals to 12a plus 2b. 12a plus 2b is equals to 12, right? Now I know what a is equals to 1. So 12a means 12 plus 2b is equals to 12. So that means that 2b is equals to 12 minus 12, 0. So it means that b is equals to there's no space over here, so it means that b is equals to 0. Okay, a, b. Now the third thing is first difference. So 7a plus 3b plus c is equals to third difference, that is, sorry, first difference, that is 7, right? So a is equals to 1, so it is 7. B is 0, so 3b 0, plus c is equals to 7, so c is equals to 7 minus 7 0. So a, b, c values are known now. Fourth thing is the first term, that is 8, is equals to a plus b plus c plus d is equals to 8. So a is equals to 1, b is 0, c is 0, and d is equals to, we are calculating, so a is equals to 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus d is equals to 8. So this implies that d is equals to 8 minus 1, 7. So we have value of a is equals to 1, value of b is equals to 0, value of c is equals to 0, and value of d is equals to 7, right? Okay, now I'm erasing this all so that we can make the sequence nth term. We have the sequence, since it's cubic, an cube plus bn square plus cn plus d. So a, because a is 1, so n cube, b is 0, c is 0, so both of these two terms are 0, right? And d is equals to 7. So 7 plus n cube, 7 plus n cube is the formula for this sequence. Clear? Okay, now I'm erasing this all so that we can work for the second part B. Okay, this is 7 plus n cube. Okay, now here in the part B, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 3 minus 2, 1, 3, 4 minus 3, 1, common difference, right, is what same. So Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1d for the numerator. A is 2 and n minus 1, d is 1. So it will be 2 plus n minus 1, which means 2 n, 2 minus 1 is 1, n plus 1, right? So this is for the numerator. For the denominator we have 1, 4, 16, 64. So 4 upon 1 is equals to 4. 16 upon 4 is equals to 4. So common ratio, so geometric sequence. So we will apply the formula for the geometric sequence. That is Tn is equals to ARn minus 1. A is equals to 1 and R is equals to 4. N minus 1. So 4n minus 1. This is for the denominator, and for the numerator we found n plus 1. So this is the total general term, the nth term for the sequence. Clear? Okay, moving to the next. Okay. Question number 11. We have the table shows the first 5 terms of sequences A, B and C. We have 8 and 3, difference of minus 5, and 3 minus 5 minus 2, same difference. Okay, so the sequence A is very simple, right? Just apply the formula of the linear sequence. A plus n minus 1d, a is equals to 8 n minus 1, and d is equals to 3 minus n minus 5. So 8 minus 5n plus 5. So minus 5n plus 8 plus 5, 13. So 13 minus 5n. Okay. In the second sequence, 2, 3 upon 2, 4 upon 3, 5 upon 4. You see, in the numerator 1 is increasing, right? So the common difference, if I calculate, is for this is 3 minus 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3 minus 1, right? And the denominator 2 minus 1 minus 1, 3 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, both in the numerator denominator, both are linear sequences. Just we have to calculate the formula, calculate the term using the same formula. So Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1d for the first numerator. That is, first term is 2 n minus 1 and d is 3 minus 1. So n 2 plus n minus 1, which is equals to n plus 1. And in the denominator, we have a is 1 plus n minus 1, 1. So 1 plus n minus 1 is equals to n. So simple. In the sequence B, we have n plus 1 in the numerator, and the denominator we have n. Clear? The last sequence C, we have 1 upon 2, then 1, then 2, then 4, then 8. Right? So 1 upon 2 and 1, we have a difference of 0.5. Then 1 and 2, difference of 1. Okay, there is no common difference. Let's check the ratio. 1 upon 2 is equals to 2. 2 upon 1, third and second term, 2. 4 upon 2, fourth and third term, fourth and third term, ratio 2. So ratio is same, so it's a geometric sequence. So applying the formula for that, Tn is equals to a r n minus 1. A is 1 upon 2, r is 2, n minus 1. Right? So 2 power n minus 1 upon 2. Clear? So that is all about the third sequence. Clear? I hope that's clear to everyone. So that is all about till question number 11 about sequences. Inshallah, we will be doing further in the next videos. Jazakumullah khair.